Welcome to the Low Latency IP Series demo. Today, we're thrilled to present the Accelerated Algorithmic Trading of Xilinx system, integrating low latency IP core suites from Design Gateway. This solution achieves significantly lower latency times, providing you with a winning advantage in the world of financial trading. Our demo runs seamlessly on both Alveo U50 and U250 cards. Let's dive in. This block diagram illustrates the standard system, which uses three 10G Ethernet connections. Two of these connections are utilized for receiving market data streams through UDP, while the remaining connection is dedicated to sending orders via TCP. To minimize system latency, we replace the Ethernet block with a low-latency 10 gigabit Ethernet MAC IP. Additionally, the UDP IP block was replaced with the UDP 10G RX IP and the TCP IP block with the ToE 10G LL IP. These upgrades optimize system latency using Design Gateway's low-latency IP suites. Now, let's explore the steps to run this enhanced demo and experience the system's improved capabilities. To run the AAT demo, you will need a host system equipped with the Alveo card. In this example, turnkey accelerator system from Design Gateway is used. In addition, two additional PCs are required, each with a Linux OS and a 10G Ethernet card. The first PC is dedicated to 10G UDP data transfer, while the second PC is responsible for 10G TCP data transfer. To set up the test system, the first step is to establish a 10G Ethernet network connection among the three hosts. This can be achieved by using a QSFP plus breakout cable. Connect the QSFP plus end of the cable to the Alveo card, and the SFP plus ends to the UDP and TCP test PCs, respectively. Let's proceed by powering on the turnkey system. The Alveo card must be initialized in two steps. The first step is to program the partition. Open the turnkey's terminal and source to Xilinx Vitis and XRT environment. Execute the XRT command to scan all Alveo cards connected to the turnkey system. Call the XRT command to program the partition file into the card. Wait until the message confirming successful programming of the partition file is displayed. Moving on to the second step, we will download the AAT Demo file to the Alveo card. Design Gateway provides two files, a software application and an XCL bin file. Change the directory to where the software application is stored. Run the software application. Use the shell command to download XCL bin file to the U250 card. Ensure that the XCL bin file is stored in the same directory as the application file. The setup of the turnkey system is now finished. We will proceed to prepare the UDP test PC, which will be responsible for sending market data over a UDP port. To being, enter the command to scan the logical name of the 10G Ethernet card that will be used for sending the market data. Once you have obtained the logical name, set the IP address of the specified Ethernet port to the specified value using its logical name. Moving on to the TCP test PC, it will be responsible for receiving orders from the AAT demo through a TCP connection. Here's how to set up the TCP test PC. The commands for this setup are similar to the ones used for the UDP test PC, which involve checking the logical name and setting the IP address. However, in this case, the IP address needs to be set to another value. After that, TCP test PC should be configured to wait for a connection from the AAT using the NC command. Once all three systems, turnkey system, TCP test PC, and UDP test PC are set up and ready, we can proceed to illustrate the AAT demo. The user enters run command to call and execute the AAT script file on the turnkey's terminal. The script file contains commands for setting parameters, initializing, and establishing a connection to the TCP test PC. If the AAT initialization is successful, you will see the message connection received on the TCP test PC's terminal. Now, the AAT demo is ready to run. We can proceed to run the demo. Let's move forward and execute the AAT demo. On the UDP test PC, which is responsible for sending the sample market data, enter the command to initiate the data transmission. Simultaneously, on the turnkey system where the AAT demo is running, enter the command to check the status and observe the updates in the market data table. As the market data is transmitted, the turnkey system will process and update the market data table in real time, while the market data is received in the AAT demo. The demo will also generate order packets and send them to the TCP test PC. You can observe this activity on the console of the TCP test PC. This demo is available for download on our website. You can try it out and evaluate the system before making a purchase. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found it informative. See you in the next video.